A rich and creamy cup of Hong Kong-style milk tea is both stimulating and enticing. Not only is it a big part of Hong Kong culture, it is also the taste of home for millions of Hong Kong people around the world. But it takes a lot of effort to make it yourself. Buying it elsewhere can be quite a hassle. So is there an easy way to make our own authentic Hong Kong-style milk tea? Hi, this is Rick. I'm the creator of the award-winning Aerista IoT Brewer, helping you make perfect tea smart and easy. Today I would like to show you how to make authentic Hong Kong-style milk tea with Aerista. So let's start. The basic ingredients for Hong Kong-style milk tea are Ceylon black tea, water, and evaporated milk. Ceylon black tea is often meticulously blended with several different grades of tea to balance its color, smell, and taste. The finished tea is called the tea concentrate. It forms the soul of Hong Kong-style milk tea. Even tea masters need 20 to 30 minutes to make a good tea concentrate. Throughout the process, we need to take care of these three key things: heating temperature, brewing time, cross-pouring flow. They will help release more tea flavors to form the unique mouthfeel of Hong Kong-style milk tea. Without the guidance from experts, it's not easy for the average person to master the brewing techniques. Let's see how Aerista can help us make Hong Kong-style milk tea. After adding water and tea bags, select the strong program for making milk tea and then press brew. It takes only 8 minutes of brewing time to make the tea concentrate. Once it's done, just add evaporated milk and freshly made Hong Kong-style milk tea is now ready. It's okay to make as little as 1 cup each time. What makes Aerista amazing is our patented brewing system, which takes care of the 3 key elements of heating temperature, brewing time, and circulating flow automatically. The upright glass body design lets us observe the changes in tea color amidst the smell of tea. For tea leaves, our Aerista special tea blend features 9 types of Ceylon black tea with amazingly rich flavors. 1 tea bag per cup of water, simple and easy. Besides our Aerista tea blend, it's alright to use other types of black tea with the tea brewer. Whether you're in Hong Kong, mainland China or overseas, working in an office or work from home, you can now brew your own authentic taste of Hong Kong with Aerista anytime, anywhere. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our Aerista videos and recipes. Cheers and have a great brew!